Hear me now? When you never hear me come out and make you know, say, right now, the man them not in and no war thing. Eh? I want to see how going right now. When you see be a blogger, take it on and I run with it and I say, well then, yeah, them not in and no war thing, right? What? The world, it's not a plan. Watch how go on. Carefully. Hey, a franchise, the chosen one, 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know it go already, you know. Full effecting. You know it go when I load up. Aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man. Hey, the people's champion. Respect. Hear me, man? A Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Hey, the most electrified man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Gaza Nation. What wanna say? Me is a genie. No, me not easy. I grade me smoke, me not bun beady. What wanna say? Me is a prophet. Oh fuck it, stop it. Watch this no man. You know, watch and see what I go on carefully, you know. More time in a Gaza Nation. Nobody now have to tell you nothing, you know. But if you watch the pattern, you can't miss, you know. If you watch the pattern and nothing at all, you can't miss. Then all you think a man copy off Bill all the shoes. If him not have the pattern feet, him can't build it. Or him go build the shoes just like it. From you follow the pattern, you can't miss. Let me tell you something. A train alkaline, a train intence. You see what I say? What I say, madam? Him a train him precisely. You hear me I say? Because first thing he make him know, say, well then, the world boss him for drop song off of, because if the world boss drop back song off of him, for the rest of him life him relevant na dancehall. Just like him alkaline and him don't ever have to drop no song more than so. And no gimmicks business. You see what I deal with him? Remember, you know, him and high water, you know, come out, you know, and drop this song off of the world boss, you know, and the world boss, you know, look upon them in the Gaza Nation. And where you see her go on. You know, see Savage fire shot upon them, Sikaran fire shot upon them, and Skills fire shot upon them, and them nah answer, no direct way. Right now, I just be a gun lyrics a drop. Them just a work off for them mimic what go on. You see what I say? And I milk it. Them will never like answer directly unless are the world boss. Me I tell you now. You know see the pattern clearly, man. You know see it clear. Our owners, the people them, you know what I mean? Who support dancehall. If you don't feel like so well then you know want war, you know have demands that from the artists them, and it's either them do that or them pull up them folly grounds. But it's just a mimic of one. You see what I deal with? Him will never do that. Him man not need coaching. They won't not see it. None of that happen. The world boss no look upon them stop. The way you see them do, just a ride the wave of what going right now. So when you hear people talk about this and that and all them shit there, him under need coaching. You see what I deal with, but the world boss smarter than that, so the world boss now go really follow up them thing where them are going with. You see what I deal with? Gaza Nation. Remember, you know, I mean say anchor all the big ship out of sea, you know, see it here, you know. Remember me say, you know, Gaza link them tougher on the iceberg or broke Titanic, you know. Hear me, man? When you think me easy, yo, when you know I grade my smoke and me not burn beady, watch me. Right about now, you know, my ear says skilly bang, you know. Give a girl Jack Thomas from St. Thomas, you know. And when she find out she the dog name popular in the street, she claims she the dog breeder, you know. Me hear the dog dig up the material evidence and rise upon her, you know. And the material evidence prove, you know. She know you in a skilly, the baby not fully skilly, you know. You see what I say? And here what she go do. She run out and make her friend them, you know, push it out on social media. If you sure say a skilly do the damage, what you supposed to do? A child support should have carry him for, instead of skin out that on social media. But you can't do that because you know say the thing not skilly. You see what I deal with? And true you know say it not skilly. That's why you can't go put it up on social media. But a disgrace, you disgrace yourself, you know what I mean? Or people like Uno make it look like girl and woman and a shame again. You see what I say? Because skilly hold it, you know. And keep lock it in himself as a secret or with own film organization, you know. The man never skin it out the road, you know. Then how you come dash it out the road as a woman. Or you do something like that. And if your friend them, we are there beside you, or them allow you to do something like that. You may say a clown, you know, a clown. It come like when you not think with your brain. You wanna feel like when the crutches alone can do the work for you. Every woman have that, you know. You ever see a woman without crutches? Every woman and every girl have that, you know. I want to stop going like, say, well then, you know, 10 million girl in a one, you know, or just one girl, you know, with one crutches, you know. You don't understand yourself, you know. When you come and expose fuck up on the internet, where you gain out of that, you know, a clown or what? Skilly wallet and lock it right there, sir. And not expose it. And you run, come dash it out. You know, a real clown. But anyway, Skilly, man say, well then, you're youth where you know play, is where I deal with. Because from your name I call pan crutches thing and baby thing, that means your pump action and work properly in the girl them niggle section. You see what I say? I don't know a lollipop thing. I don't know gimmicks thing. Enough boy you hear in it and all, no you don't hear them name a call upon nothing. You see what I deal with? Yeah. I love how you go to work skilly. You know what I mean? And I love how you deal with necessary. You see what I deal with? I love how you go test the tester and see what it is, you know what I mean? So I know say you're a real clever youth. It come like a real thing you that talk in a skilly bang. When you tell the people them say, you know, you're a man learn almost everything from the world boss, you know. You're tough youth. Skilly are tough youth. You hear that? You see what I deal with because you don't know the world boss thing first class, you know. And you know gimmicks business, you know. What I say? You know wait upon the cute rider remix. Yeah, man. that is really phenomenal for the Christmas. It would have come like a Christmas carol. It would have take us straight back into the new year. And then a lollipop thing. And one day if World Boss I go sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment this Friday coming. Eh? So brother will have a whole heap of tricks up him sleeve, you know. When you know the World Boss thing stay already, you know. A first class thing, you know. You know the man there, you know, when the man there represent a orchestrate up things, you know. Always something, you know. Where, you know what I mean, for stun the people, there's a brother, you know, where just come out, you know, in a some miraculous condition, you know, upon the people, you know. And then you hear the loud explosion, you know. Yeah, man. World Boss no laugh with it, man. You know, see how the man shot off 10-star career. Eh? When you think like a gimmicks thing or a lollipop thing. Right now, Gaza Nation, all the way you see a go on, where you hear them talk about on the internet, you see everybody have to come back and follow me and say, no war, no go on. I just gunshot, gun song I do. You see what I deal with? I'm going to tell you already, same underneath coaching from Alkaline. He will never answer Skilly Bang or call him name personally. You see what I deal with? But if I the World Boss, him ready long time. And I wave that them a ride off, that him a snatch off, and the World Boss see that. You see what I deal with? And they even numerate, much less to participate. What? Here no one, 10-star, you know. General, the people's champion. Hey, yo! Gaza, feel